welcome to the introduction of the Tempora Edgebander family. No other machines have such a wide range of different applications and requirements as Edgebanders. This is our challenge at Format4. Tempora Edgebanders are individually equipped and adapted to specific customer needs with very diverse manufacturing requirements. With us, you have unique freedom to configure your machine. You can choose the desired level of automation, the requirements for workpiece finish, and the size of the investment. Above all, Tempora Edgebanders match perfectly to the available space in your workshop. What makes the Tempora Edgebanders so special? Consider your day-to-day business. Most of the time you lose when changing the color and the glue. And that is what reduces productivity and profits. With Format4, you can change the color and the glue in less than a minute. The glue pot with a tool-free quick change system enables the quickest change between PUR and EVA glues or different colors. Because of that, and together with the highly precise aggregates, you will achieve invisible glue joints. The term zero joint, a word used by many manufacturers, but the reality often looks different. Not with Tempora. With the patented Advantage hot air unit, our F600 models offer a real optical zero joint. But what makes our Tempora Edgebander even smarter and easier for your employees to operate? The answer is Smart Touch, the high-tech control system with up to 21-inch touch screen for intuitive and efficient operation. Complete operating safety and the highest level of convenience are guaranteed. The simple, self-explanatory display of the unit and the compact overview of all possible processing steps make long training sessions unnecessary. All of your employees can operate the Tempora efficiently in a very short space of time. What you see is what you get. You benefit from maximum repeatability and the shortest changeover times with the individually configurable processing programs. But how do you ultimately impress your customers? Of course, the visual appearance of your finished product. The perfect finish is the most important quality criterion for our Tempora Edgebanders. The perfect interaction of all units like pre-milling unit, double corner rounding unit, or radius and glue scraping aggregates with buffing unit. With Tempora Edgebanders, a super finish is guaranteed. If you want perfect edges, then the decision for one of our Tempora models should be a logical step. Get all further information about Tempora Premium Edgebanders from our webpage. We look forward to seeing you and thank you for your interest.